Ever wondered how some animals survive the coldest winters? Did you know some frogs are freeze-proof? Meet the wood frog. These frogs survive Alaskan winters by freezing solid. As temperatures drop, their bodies start to freeze. Frost forms on their skin, even on their eyes. Their heart stops, their organs pause, and they're encased in ice, waiting for spring. When spring arrives, these frogs defrost and hop right back into life. Nature is amazing. Curious for more wonders like this? Like, share and subscribe for more cool facts.